Mastering how your Excel charts communicate data starts with precisely defining your X and Y axes. Let's dive into how to set your X and Y axes in Excel to ensure your data tells the right story. First, we need some data here. I have sales figures for different dates. To create a chart, select your data, including the headers. Head over to the Insert tab on the Excel ribbon, then click on Recommended Charts to get a quick overview of suitable chart types for your selected data. Excel suggests several chart types for most time series data like this. A column chart or a line chart is a great choice to visualize trends. Let's pick a standard column chart for this example. Once the chart is created, you'll see it populated with your information by default. Excel often guesses which data goes on which axis. We need to ensure they're set correctly. To adjust the axes, make sure your chart is selected, then go to the Chart Design tab, which appears when your chart is active, and click on Select Data. This dialog box is crucial. Under Legend Entries series, you'll see what data Excel has identified as your y-axis values. If you need to change this, click Edit next to it and reselect the correct data range. Now, for the z-axis, look at the horizontal x-axis labels section. You want your dates or categories here. Click Edit and then select the range containing these labels. This is what will form your horizontal axis. Ensure both your y-axis series and z-axis labels ranges are correctly populated. Click OK to apply these changes. See, our z-axis now accurately displays the dates, and the y-axis shows the corresponding sales. This clear definition is vital for effective data interpretation. For further refinement, click the plus icon next to your chart to add or modify axis titles. This allows you to label your z-axis perhaps as date, and your y-axis as sales revenue, making your chart instantly understandable. And there you have it. Your X and Y axes are perfectly set, ensuring your Excel data visualization is accurate, clear, and impactful for any audience. Keep experimenting to make your charts shine.